Primary rocks are those which are directly formed by the cooling of magma lava. For example, Agneya rocks are formed by the cooling and solidification of molten earth material. Some examples of Agneous rocks are granite, basalt, pumice, and obsidian. Characteristics of primary rocks are: first, due to high pressures and temperatures, they are devoid of fossils. They have defined texture, density, color, and mineral composition. Third, the crystal size is dependent on rate of cooling of magma. Fourth, they are an aggregate of one or more minerals held together by chemical bonds. Fifth, percolation of water is difficult in these types of rocks and they usually don't react with acid. Types of Agneous rocks. On the basis of place and time taken in cooling of molten matter, they can be of two types. First, intrusive Agneous rocks, plutonic. Magma cools slowly at great depths, hence mineral grains formed in the rocks may be very large in size. They appear on the surface after being uplifted and denuded. Second, extrusive Agneous rocks, volcanic. Sudden cooling of magma just below the surface or lava above the surface results in small and smooth grains in rocks, as rapid cooling prevents crystallization so fine-grained. As for example, Deccan traps. On the basis of presence of acid forming radical like silicon are of two types. First, acidic rocks, characterized by high content of silica up to 80%. They have a lesser content of heavier minerals like iron and magnesium, hence they are less dense and lighter in color. They constitute shell of crust, as for example granite, quartz, and feldspar. Second, basic rocks. These rocks are poor in silica, about 40%. Due to low silica content, the parent material of such rocks cools slowly and thus flows and spreads far away. This flow and cooling give rise to plateaus. Basalt, as for example basalt, gabbro, and dolerite. These rocks have greater economic significance as they are the chief source of metal ores such as iron, nickel, copper, lead, zinc, chromite, manganese, gold, diamond, and platinum.